Do you want to add work experience on Facebook? You can share work experience on Facebook profile with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add work experience on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your Facebook profile screen. At the top of the screen, tap on the edit icon. A new screen will appear with different options. Scroll down to the work section. Now, under this, find and tap on the work experience option. Again, a new screen will appear. Under Add Workplace, type and search for your working company. Select your working company from the search list. Now, enter your job title or position, city, and time period. If needed, you can also choose whether you currently work there. Once done, tap the Save button. Now, your work experience will appear on your Facebook profile.